हेलो दोस्तों, करंट अफेयर्स यूट्यूब चैनल पर आप सबका स्वागत है। जून 2025 में मनाए जाने वाले महत्वपूर्ण राष्ट्रीय और अंतर्राष्ट्रीय दिन और तिथियों की जानकारी आज हम इस वीडियो में देखेंगे। ये विशेष दिन विभिन्न कारणों से मनाए जाते हैं। कुछ वैश्विक मुद्दों के बारे में जागरूकता बढ़ाते हैं, तो कुछ ऐतिहासिक घटनाओं, संस्कृतियों या व्यक्तियों के योगदान का जश्न मनाते हैं। तिथियों के साथ आप यह भी जान सकते हैं कि प्रत्येक दिन क्यों मनाया जाता है और इसके पीछे क्या महत्व है। इस वीडियो में आपको इन आयोजनों के उद्देश्य और दुनिया भर में इनके द्वारा फैलाए जाने वाले संदेशों को समझने में मदद मिलती है। तो चलिए वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं। एक जून, वर्ल्ड मिल्क डे, विश्व दुग्ध दिवस। वर्ल्ड मिल्क डे 2025 थीम, लेट्स सेलिब्रेट द पावर ऑफ डेयरी। In India, National Milk Day is celebrated on 26 November to commemorate the birth anniversary of Dr. Verghese Kurian. 1 जून, ग्लोबल डे ऑफ पेरेंट्स, अभिभावकों का वैश्विक दिवस। Global Day of Parents 2025 theme, Raising Parents. On the Global Day of Parents 2025, the theme Raising Parents draws attention to an essential but often underappreciated reality. Parenting is a learned skill. Parents and caregivers require time, resources, and support in order to raise children in a nurturing and positive environment. 2 जून, इटली रिपब्लिक डे, इटली गणतंत्र दिवस। Republic Day, also known as Festa della Repubblica in Italian, Festival of the Republic, is a national holiday in Italy on June 2 each year. It celebrates the day when Italians voted to abolish the monarchy in 1946 so their country could become a republic. 2 June, तेलंगाना फॉर्मेशन डे, तेलंगाना डे, तेलंगाना स्थापना दिवस। Formation or bifurcation of Telangana is on 2 June 2024 from Andhra Pradesh. Capital Hyderabad. 2 June, International Sex Workers Day, अंतर्राष्ट्रीय यौन कर्मी दिवस। International Sex Worker Day is observed annually across the globe on 2 June to honor sex workers, protest against criminalization, police harassment, and exploitative working conditions, and advocate for their rights, safety, and dignity. Theme: Access to Justice. 3 June, World Bicycle Day, विश्व साइकिल दिवस। World Bicycle Day is annually celebrated to recognize the uniqueness and versatility of bicycles and their reliability and sustainability as a mode of transportation. Theme: Cycling for a Sustainable Future. 4 June, International Day of Innocent Children Victim of Aggression, आक्रोश के पीड़ित निर्दोष बच्चों का अंतर्राष्ट्रीय दिवस। The International Day of Innocent Children Victim of Aggression to reflect on the devastating impact of war and violence on children, established by the United Nations in 1982 in response to the suffering of Palestinian and Lebanese children. 5 June, World Environment Day, विश्व पर्यावरण दिवस। Theme for the World Environment Day 2025 is Ending Plastic Pollution, also known as #BigPlasticPollution. 6 June, National Donut Day, राष्ट्रीय डोनट दिवस। Commemorating the donut lessee of World War I and enjoying free donuts. The day was established by the Salvation Army to honor the women who served donuts to soldiers in France during the war. Many donut shops and chains offer free donuts and special deals to celebrate. 7th June World Food Safety Day विश्व खाद्य सुरक्षा दिवस. Theme for the World Food Safety Day 2025 is Food Safety Science in Action. 8th June World Brain Tumor Day विश्व मस्तिष्क ट्यूमर दिवस. Theme for World Brain Tumor Day 2025 is Increasing Awareness for a Healthier Tomorrow. 8th June World Ocean Day विश्व महासागर दिवस. Theme for World Ocean Day 2025 is Wonder, Sustaining What Sustains Us. 8th June National Best Friend Day राष्ट्रीय सबसे अच्छा मित्र दिवस. 12th June World Day Against Child Labor बाल श्रम विरोधी दिवस. World Day Against Child Labor 2025 theme is Progress is clear, but there is more to do. Let's speed up efforts. International Labour Organization highlights the progress made in reducing child labor while emphasizing the urgent need to intensify global efforts to eradicate it, as millions of children are still denied their education, health, and well-being. 12th June National Red Rose Day राष्ट्रीय लाल गुलाब दिवस. Theme Redefining Love Through Nature's Symbol. 14th June World Blood Donor Day विश्व रक्तदाता दिवस. Theme Give Blood, Give Hope. Together we save lives. 14th June Flag Day popular in United States. World Gin Day popular in South Africa, United Kingdom and Australia. World Day of Mourning and Commemoration Estonia. Day of Victims of Communist Terror 1941 Latvia. National Bourbon Day United States. 15th June World Wind Day विश्व पवन दिवस. Global Wind Day theme Day of Community Action, emphasizing the urgent need for a clean energy transition driven by community involvement and the collective benefits of wind energy, such as clean power, job creation, and a healthier environment. It encourages widespread participation to accelerate wind energy's role in combating climate change and building a more sustainable future. 15th June World Elder Abuse Awareness Day वृद्ध दुर्व्यवहार जागरूकता दिवस. Theme Addressing Abuse of Older Adults in Long-Term Care Facilities through Data and Action. This theme emphasizes the critical need for reliable data collection, enhanced staff training, and evidence-based practical interventions to prevent elder abuse within institutional care settings. 15th June Father's Day पिता दिवस. Theme Fathers Nurturing Resilience and Shaping Futures. 17th June World Day to Combat Desertification and Drought रेगडीकरण और सूखा रोकथाम दिवस. Theme Restore the Land, Unlock the Opportunities. It aims to raise global awareness about the threats of desertification, land degradation, and drought, and to promote solutions for these pressing environmental issues. 18th June Autistic Pride Day Autism Gaurav Divas. Theme Unapologetically Autistic. To encourage autistic individuals to embrace their authentic selves, reject societal pressures to conform or mask, and celebrate neurodiversity. It signifies a refusal to apologize for autistic traits and a declaration of the rights to exist, thrive, and live on one's own terms. 18th June International Picnic Day, अंतर्राष्ट्रीय पिकनिक दिवस. Theme: Savoring simple moments in nature. 19th June World Sickle Cell Awareness Day, सिकल सेल जागरूकता दिवस. Theme: Global Action, Local Impact, Empowering Communities for Effective Self-Advocacy. 19th June Juneteenth, अमेरिकी स्वतंत्रता दिवस, दासता से मुक्ति. Juneteenth, observed on June 19 to commemorate the day in 1865 when Union troops enforced the Emancipation Proclamation, freeing the last enslaved people in Galveston, Texas. 19th June World Sauntering Day, विश्राम से चलने का दिवस. To encourage people to slow down, relax, and appreciate the unhurried moments in life, the day is a reminder to pause from fast-paced routines, be present, and find joy in simple activities like a leisurely walk in nature. 20th June World Refugee Day, विश्व शरणार्थी दिवस. For meaningful action beyond words to support and integrate refugees, emphasizing their right to safety and the opportunity to build new lives in host communities. Theme: Solidarity with refugees. 21st June World Music Day, विश्व संगीत दिवस. Theme: Healing through Harmony. Highlights the power of music to promote emotional healing, relieve stress, and foster societal unity. 21st June World Hydrography Day, जल सर्वेक्षण दिवस. Theme: Seabed Mapping, Enabling Ocean Action. This theme highlights how detailed and accurate mapping of the ocean floor provides essential data for understanding, governing, and sustainably using the world's oceans, emphasizing the crucial role of hydrographic data in marine spatial planning, conservation, disaster risk reduction, and overall ocean action for sustainable development. 21st June International Day of Yoga, अंतर्राष्ट्रीय योग दिवस. Theme: Yoga for One Earth, One Health. This theme emphasizes the interconnectedness of personal well-being with the health of the planet, promoting harmony between individuals and their environment through the practice of yoga. 21st June Summer Solstice Celebration Day, ग्रीष्म अयनांत दिवस, गर्मी का सबसे लंबा दिन. It is celebrated globally as a time of light, life, abundance, and renewal, marking the longest day of the year in the northern hemisphere, with traditions ranging from ancient rituals and meditation to modern gatherings, sun salutations, and appreciation for nature's rhythms. 22nd June World Rainforest Day, विश्व वर्षावन दिवस. Theme: Forest and Food. The vital role rainforests play in food security, nutrition, livelihoods, and income for communities worldwide. The day also features a global planet walkers movement, encouraging people to share photos and videos of their forest walks on social media to raise awareness and foster connection with these crucial ecosystems. 23rd June International Olympic Day, अंतर्राष्ट्रीय ओलंपिक दिवस. Theme: Let's Move. This initiative highlights that moving together, whether through walking, dancing, or playing sports, helps build a sense of belonging and combats loneliness, promoting the physical and mental benefits of sports for everyone. 23rd June यूनाइटेड नेशंस पब्लिक सर्विस डे, संयुक्त राष्ट्र सार्वजनिक सेवा दिवस. थीम 5 years to 2030, accelerating public service delivery for a sustainable future. 23rd June, there is no single universally official theme for International Widows Day 2025, but various organizations and regions have used themes like below to highlight the challenges and empowerment of widows globally. 23rd June, International Days of Widow, अंतर्राष्ट्रीय विधवा दिवस. Themes: Invisible Women, Visible Problems. Empower her from loss to leadership. Uplifting widows' voices. Accelerate action addressing the rights and needs of widows. 26th June, International Day Against Drug Abuse. मादक द्रव्य निषेध दिवस. Theme: The evidence is clear. Invest in prevention. 26th June, United Nations Day in support of victims of torture. यातना पीड़ितों के समर्थन में संयुक्त राष्ट्र दिवस. Theme: Torture, a crime against humanity. It emphasizes that torture is not only a violation of individual rights but a crime against humanity, highlighting its widespread nature and the need for global action. 27th June, Helen Keller Day. Helen Keller Day. The day consistently focuses on promoting accessibility, inclusion, and the rights of people with disabilities, inspired by Helen Keller's own achievements and advocacy for the deaf-blind community. The date for Helen Keller Day is June 27th, and it serves as a global reminder to support individuals with disabilities and create more inclusive environment. 29th June, National Statistics Day, राष्ट्रीय सांख्यिकी दिवस. Theme: 75 years of National Sample Survey. The day honors the birth anniversary of Professor Prasanta Chandra Mahalanobis, the eminent statistician who laid the foundation for India's statistical infrastructure. 29th June, International Day of the Tropics, अंतर्राष्ट्रीय उष्णकटिबंधीय दिवस. It focuses on celebrating the diversity of the tropics and addressing the unique challenges faced by tropical regions. In 2025, the day will emphasize tropical diversity and development, highlighting the need for sustainable practices and the protection of the environment. 30th June, World Asteroid Day, विश्व क्षुद्र ग्रह दिवस. Theme: Protecting our planet through awareness, science, and global unity. Recap: 1st June, World Milk Day, Global Day of Parents. 2nd June, Italy Republic Day, International Sex Workers Day, Telangana Formation Day. 3rd June, World Bicycle Day. 4th June, International Day of Innocent Children Victim of Aggression. 5th June, World Environment Day. 6th June, National Donut Day. 7th June, World Food Safety Day. 8th June, World Brain Tumor Day, World Ocean Day, National Best Friend Day. 12th June, World Day Against Child Labor, National Red Rose Day. 14th June, World Blood Donor Day, Flag Day. 15th June, World Wind Day, World Elder Abuse Awareness Day, Father's Day. 17th June, World Day to Combat Desertification and Drought. 18th June, Autistic Pride Day, International Picnic Day. 19th June, World Sickle Cell Awareness Day. Juneteenth, World Sauntering Day. 20th June, World Refugee Day. 21st June, World Music Day, World Hydrography Day. International Day of Yoga. Summer Solstice. 22nd June, World Rainforest Day. 23rd June, International Olympic Day. United Nations Public Service Day. International Widows Day. 26th June, International Day Against Drug Abuse. United Nations Day in support of victims of torture. 27th June, Helen Keller Day. 29th June, National Statistics Day. International Day of the Tropics. 30th June, World Asteroid Day.